So hi everybody, my name is Rachel Garcia. I'm coming to you from Florida to give you some information on Pure 7-Day Detox. I've been involved with this company for 9 years. I'm a physician assistant, have been practicing medicine in the state of Florida for 17 years. My husband's a contractor. We have 2 boys that are 10 and 13, and we've been involved with this company, sharing it with others for 9 years now. We have helped tens of thousands of people get off prescription medications, and we know that when you put the right things in your body, and you cleanse your body of the toxins and you get your body alkaline and you build your cells up with good nutrition, it will function the way God made it to function. And so I have been using Pure products for 9 years, but I'm going to tell you, the last 3 months, I've traveled 5 weeks of the last 3 months, and 3 of those weeks were literal vacations. So I was putting things in my body that I really shouldn't have been putting in my body. And, you know, I've kind of been trying to just restart everything. And so a pilot program was introduced about 10 days ago to Pure. I think there are about 27 people in it with this 7-day detox. And they had 100% success rate, meaning every single person who did it lost weight. It averaged between 5 to 12 pounds of weight lost in 7 days. So this caught my attention. And sometimes I just feel like I need a reset. And I will tell you, leading up to this, I was kind of going into this craving for sugar thing. And so I was like, I just need to do a reset. So I did this 7-day detox. I've started it. I'm on the 3rd day now. Lost 4 pounds my first 2 days. And I feel amazing. I have loads of energy. I'm sleeping like a rock. And let me tell you my favorite things about this. First of all, there are so many people out there. They're like, I just need to lose that last 5 to 10 pounds. If you could do it in 7 days and know that what you're doing is good for your body, why would you not do that? And I'm talking good for your body in terms of the reason I'm involved with this company is I've seen tens of thousands of people get off prescription medications in the last 9 years. I have learned that if you cleanse your body of the toxins we've been consuming since we were babies, breathing, eating, drinking, and all these toxins, if we get ourselves alkaline by pouring plant-based nutrition into our body and build ourselves up with good nutrition, your body will function the way it was made to function. In our family, we've seen complete resolution of allergy issues, pain and joint pain issues resolved, depression issues my husband struggled with resolved, sleep issues I struggled with resolved, bowel issues for my son that resolved. You know what? Pure is just a way of life for us. But this 7-day detox is amazing. So I'm going to share my screen with you just for 1 minute so you can kind of see, I hope I can pull it up, what it's made of, what this plan is made. Oh, I might not be able to share it. That will make me sad. Let me see if I can't find it somewhere else really quick, and then I'll pull it up for you. I'm going to see if I can't share this with you because I think it's good for us to all know what it is that we're looking at. Some people are like, that sounds great, but I want to know what it is. Here we go. I think I got it. Okay, so here's a little introduction. All right. And then this is kind of giving you a breakdown, which anybody who's been on any kind of a regimen or diet of any kind, or read any books, we kind of know all this stuff already, but this is fine. You read this and I'll show you how you can get this information in a minute. But you start out, I love this program, okay, because you start out really with the metabolic 1, which is going to speed up your metabolism, turn your body into a furnace. You're putting in the pure hydration, which is hydrating your cells. You're putting in the liquid vitamin, or you can use the capsules, and you're putting in the sulfur just to start your day out, which detoxifies your liver, decreases all inflammation. I also added our energy to this because that's what I start my day with, is energy. I don't drink coffee at all. So that's what you started with. Midway through the day, you're consuming some greens, which our greens are the best ones on the planet. Mila, which is our plant-based omega-3s, and 1 to 2 ounces of argoyan, which is our #1 selling product. It's our balancer, balances the pH, the hormone levels. It's a 5,000-year-old Asian formulation of 20 superfruits. It is amazing. It tastes amazing. And if you struggle with rage issues, hormone issues, anxiety issues, depression, it's going to be your favorite product. You consume a small fruit or one of our superfruits, or all of our superfruits. I did all of our superfruits: mangosteen, noni, acai, goji. I can't go a day without those. Lunchtime, you consume more metabolic 1. That's keeping your furnace burning, okay? And then you can do energy or our Pure Cafe. I do the Pure Cafe because it's got the green coffee bean in it that burns the fat, specifically targets in on the fat on your body. Another hydrate, and then the other half of your liquid vitamin. Then at lunch, or mid-afternoon yesterday, and this is the first 2 days, the Goyan, the organic sulfur, the energy. and then another small piece of fruit, and then dinner was my greens, Mila, and water. This is all food, you guys. It's just cleansing the toxins out, putting pure nutrition in. And then at night before bed, we have our cleanse product. I do the calcium and the Mila, and you can also do some optional broth. I do bone broth. And so that was the first 2 days. I'm now on the third day, which is when we start adding a shake and some meals back in. So still incorporating all the pure products, but adding in clean eating for this day and tomorrow. And so, listen, I lost 4 pounds the first 2 days. I had enough energy to still do my workout and running around like a crazy person. This is one of the busiest weeks that I've had so far in 2018, and I'm having no issues with it. Look seriously at that. Ask the person who sent this to you to add you to our 7-day detox page. You can get more information there, and we'll just continue feeding you stuff and answering your questions. And maybe it's for you, maybe it's not. But I know a load of people that are trying to lose that last 5 to 10 pounds. They're working out, they're clean eating, they're doing everything right, and they're like, I just can't get it off. You need to look seriously at this. It's good for the body, and it's good for the waistline. And I always say, we are not allowed to make claims with Pure, but I've been doing this 9 years. The typical things that we often see if someone consumes this system for 28 days straight, forget the weight loss part. There's 6 typical things that happen. Bowel habits improve, energy levels improve, sleep improves, your mood improves, but you don't notice your mood. Everyone around you does. Sleep, energy, bowel, mood, pain decreases, if not totally goes away, and then weight loss. Those are the 6 things that I've seen over and over and over again for people who consume our system for 28 days straight. So this 7-day detox is a part of that system. You can do it 7 days, or you can do it the whole 28 days. The calendar here is for 28 days that I just showed you, or you can start with the 7-day detox and then just keep consuming the products in addition to what you typically would eat, and you'll still get the results. Fabulous.